let's make some magic with MS Word. So what you do is just head up to your MS Word and then launch your MS Word software. There are many ways to open MS Word or all these applications. So Window R to open it. You can see run here. Click it and then the MS Word, that is Microsoft Word, will open. I will try some magic. I know this will blow your mind. Nobody have shown you this before. So while I was just playing around some stuff, so I discovered this and I said let me share with you guys. Okay, I should make the report. So what I'm going to do is you are going to type in these following numbers. Type in 2655 and then what you are going to do is you press Alt plus X, letter X, as XYZ, yeah, that X. So you press them together, Alt, your alternate key, and then your X. Press them together. This is what we have. This is blowing your mind already. Okay, let's try another number. Let's see, 2706. Let's try 2706. So you press Alt and X together at the same time. Okay, sorry, let's try that again. Sorry, Ctrl Z. Let's try that again. Alt plus X together at once. Sorry, I'm not getting it now. We don't have this sign. But we'll try another number. Let's see. I think let me make this one very good. Okay, let's try this 2702. Okay, then you press Alt and X. We have this 6 or 7. I know this is blowing your mind. Don't forget to give this video a like and then you share your thought concerning this video. If you have seen this before, let me know down. If you have seen this particular video before, let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, we are going to try another code. Let's type 2654. Let's try this. Alt plus X. We now have this sign. Okay, so follow for more. Thanks guys.